Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Lord of the Fleas, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 8. My Dog Man Has Fleas. Well, I guess we... Hey, what's that?
What is it, Papa?
It's that shrink ray I dropped back in Chapter 5.
Oh, yeah!
I wonder if it still works.
Let's find out.
Yup, it worked.
Sweet!
Hey gang, Petey saved the day! Hooray for Petey! Okay, Dogman, hand it over. Drop it. Seriously, give me the bad guys. Come on, Dogman, I have to take them to mini jail. Let go! Give it! They're gone! No, because you've done! The bad guys got away again!
I wonder where they went.
It sure is a mystery.
Oh well, I have a feeling we'll never hear from them again.
Something tells me the same thing. Well, come on, Petey. It's time to go back to jail. Wait, what? I've got to put you back in kitty custody. But I'm a good guy now. I know, but you still gotta pay for the crimes you did yesterday, and the day before that, and the day before that, and the... Well, that's just great! I was good for, like, the whole book, and it didn't make any difference!
Dogman, I'm gonna go with them, okay? Don't worry, Chief will walk me home. Good night, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow. Hey, wait up! Are you sad, Papa?
No, I'm mad!
Why?
Because it's just like when I was a kid. Life is pointless! If you're good, nobody cares.
You gotta be good anyway, Papa.
If you're kind, people just think you're weak.
You gotta be kind anyway, Papa.
If you're honest, people just try to trick you.
You gotta be honest anyway, Papa.
If you're happy, people just get jealous.
You gotta be happy anyway, Papa.
You can spend years creating stuff, then a big robot brontosaurus can come along and zap it all to smithereens in 2 seconds!
You gotta be creative anyway, Papa.
Yeah, that's easy for you to say. You're just a kid. You don't know what a rotten, horrible place this world can be. It can be so cold, so cruel, so unforgiving.
Papa, that's why we need to be good.
You guys are so sweet! Mind your own beeswax, you rubbernecker! Petey, you're back! Hey kid, you wanna get some gelato with me after I escape tomorrow?
I don't know what gelato is, but okay.
Well, so long, Petey. Good night, Chief.
Hey Chief, what's gelato?
It's like ice cream.
Oh, sweet.
The end.